Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Staedtler. Did I say that right? Staedtler Avant-Garde Light Multi-Pen. And if you're interested in this particular pen, I'll include a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. Let's see if I can get into this container. I wonder if I can get into this container without... Ooh, I bet I can. I was going to say, I wonder if I can get into this container without destroying it. But, alright, so let's see. We got the pen, we got the instructions. So let's see. So our instructions are like so. Apparently we're not supposed to do something there. And we're not supposed to do something there. Alright. I hope those instructions were as helpful for y'all as they were for me. So this is the pen. Alright, first of all, it feels super light. That's the first thing that jumps out at me. And so we have black and red and 0.5 millimeter lead. Alright, so this is the, ooh, I'm gonna have to look to spell it. Staedtler, Avant-Garde. Alright, so that's that one. So the release is right there. I'm kind of on this particular kind of release. Black. Avant-Garde. And then the red. It's kind of weird. The red is just marked with a clear. Staedtler Avant-Garde. Alright, it doesn't write too bad. I mean, like, okay, my original comment that it was really light, it's not, like, having written with it, it's not like a bad light. Now, it's pretty thin. And in order to replace the ink, you unscrew the tip here, and then you can just pull out the refills there. So if you wanted to, say, pull out the red, it just pops out. And these look like relatively standard D1 refills, I think. So you should be able to fill it with pretty much whatever you want. You know, I wasn't super crazy about this pen initially, because it really felt light, but, I mean, maybe that's kind of what they're going for. It's a light, like, feels like aluminum body. It's not a bad pen. I'm not hating it. Kind of cool looking. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's in the, like, $30, $35 range. Oh, man, I didn't think about that. It's in the $30, $35 range. And the problem I have is really a problem that comes up with almost every multi-pen. Every multi-pen, I end up comparing it to the Skillcraft B3 Aviator, which is arguably my favorite multi-pen. And the B3 Aviator runs like 20 bucks. And you get, it's a thin pen, and you get, it has three refills. It has like a red, a black, and a pencil. And so you got to compare it to the best. And I would say comparing it to the B3 Aviator, I take the Aviator over this one. But this isn't a bad pen. I mean, it feels pretty good. It's just like, I don't know if this is worth like 1.5 Aviators. That's a tough one. I don't know. What do y'all think? Do you have a favorite? Actually, that's a good question. Do y'all have a favorite multi-pen that you end up inevitably comparing every other multi-pen to? For me, it's the B3 Aviator. And I don't know about y'all. If there is, let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions, or if there's anything cool you think I should take a look at, you can let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.